see if I can. That football's kind of hard to pick up.
I'm going to let you video. You do it better than I do.
I have to put it on YouTube. That's the only way I know how to show them.
Half the time I would look down and go, oh, it's not recording.
Look at Stevie
okay,
in the
either one of them
water.
wants to go get it. Let's see who's braver. Ziggy is.
Get the ball. Get the ball, Zig. There he goes. Yay!